Hey everyone! I'm going to show you how to make this super fun high ponytail with an accent braid. The braid really works to add a bit of texture and statement to this hairstyle and works well for lots of different occasions. And if you like this, please hit that like button below and subscribe for more hairstyles. Alright, to start off, I'm going to make the parts for the braid. I make the first part on the top portion of my eyebrow, all the way back to where I want the ponytail to sit. I then make the next part off the tip of my eyebrow, again, all the way to the back. This off-centered part will naturally draw a line up from your cheekbone and flatter your bone structure. I then Dutch braid, trying to keep it relatively centered between my part lines. I braid all the way to the end of my hair and secure it with a clear elastic. I then take a comb with a little bit of gel on it and smooth any flyaways in toward the braid. I also bobby pin back away some stray hairs poking out from where my bangs end. Next, I gather all my hair up into a ponytail with my brush. I follow the upper diagonal line of my cheekbone to determine where the top of my ponytail will go. This will be a little different for everyone, but following this line makes your side profile extra flattering when rocking this hairstyle. When the ponytail is where I want it, I secure it with an elastic, leaving the braid out. I hit my flyaways with hairspray and comb them flat for a sleeker look. This is optional if you're going for a more messy style. I wrap the braid underneath the elastic and continue to wrap it until I run out of hair. I then bobby pin the end of the braid below the ponytail out of sight. And this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. Braided ponytails are so fun. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.